The main thing you need to understand about the different project delivery methods is that they're all different in their own unique way. So what is a construction project delivery method? The project delivery method details the relationship between the parties involved with the project, typically a contractor, owner, and designer, as well as how and when these parties will fulfill their obligations and responsibilities. In other words, the project delivery method helps determine the processes of the planning, design, and building phases of construction. But before we explore the various project delivery methods in greater detail, let's quickly recap the primary goals involved with the delivery of construction projects. Managing expectations regarding timelines and cost, managing contingencies and risk, coordinating resources, ensuring quality control. We're going to cover the common project delivery methods that you should know as a contractor, including Design, Bid, Build, or DBB, Design, Build, DB, Construction Management Multi-Prime, CMMP, Public-Private Partnerships, PPPs, Construction Managers at Risk, CMAR, Job Order Contracting, JOC, and Integrated Project Delivery, IPD. Let's start with Design, Bid, Build, DBB. Often referred to as traditional project delivery, DBB is the most common project delivery method used, involving a design team and a general contractor working under separate contracts directly for the project owner. With the DBB method, the design team works with the project owner to develop the contract documents, including drawings, specifications, and other models. Once completed, the design is sent to general contractors to provide a bid for the project. Once the general contractors submit their bids, the project owner, with the help of the design team, evaluates the proposals and makes their selection. And finally, once the contract is signed, equipment and materials are ordered so that construction can begin. Advantages of DBB. Usually low initial cost. Most contractors and project owners are experienced with the method, and separating the design team from the construction team potentially reduces conflicts of interest. Disadvantages of DBB: because the contractor and architect didn't collaborate during the design phase, discrepancies can occur as a result. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com